In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through the platform using the guide with Team Trial 1234 on Monday.com. This tutorial is designed to help you become proficient with the Monday.com Teams interface, empowering you to streamline your project management tasks more effectively. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth journey. First, you'll want to go to the Monday.com Teams site, open your web browser, and enter the URL for Team Trial 1234 at Monday.com. Ensure that you're logged in to access all the features we'll be discussing today. This site is your starting point, serving as a central hub where you can manage various project boards and team activities, an absolute must for project coordinators seeking efficiency. Next, shift your focus to the boards feature. You'll want to type the word highlight into the search bar on the Monday.com board interface. This action is crucial because it narrows down the numerous tasks and projects to help you find the specific board or item you're seeking quickly. Using the search function effectively can dramatically reduce the time spent browsing and improve your workflow. Once you've entered highlight in the search, observe the results that pop up on your screen. The next step involves clicking on the highlighted result. This click will direct you to the board or task that matches your search criteria, taking you one step closer to detailed information and actionable insights. It's important to pay attention to what pops up in your results to ensure that you select the right item, as different boards or tasks may have similar names. Upon arriving at the desired board or item, you might notice it's often necessary to click yet another highlight. This step serves a dual purpose, helping you verify the board you're working with and also granting you access to more detailed project specifics or task information. Don't hesitate to explore the various options available, as exploring these features helps you get to know your navigation tools better. Finally, it's time to click on the specific item or task numbered 6 within your chosen board or series of tasks. This might sound simple, but clicking the correct number is imperative for ensuring you're working on the right segment of your project. Once you've done this, you can access the individual task details, leaving you well prepared to manage that task effectively. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through Team Trial 234 on Monday.com, using the highlights and item listings to streamline your workflow. This guide serves as a foundational exercise in leveraging the Monday.com platform to its full potential for project management and efficiency. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you feel more confident using Monday.com for your team projects. Stay tuned for more tips and guides in future videos.